Now I'll tell you the real and the most important procedure as to how will we convert this fan which has been locked from the center into a poppy flower. It's very simple. We have to be very slow and very cautious in pulling each and every layer of the fan, which is none other but the tissue paper that we've used. This is the way we'll gradually pull it and get it till the center of the fan. That's the way. We gradually get it. It's a very fragile paper, so we have to be very careful. As you can see, the shape of one petal that has come, that's as good as the shape of a poppy flower. Now we have to go left and right.